Hi, I'm Mike.
I'm Scott.
And I'm Mark.
We are your Screen Machine product support team, and here's another quick tip.
In this quick tip, we're going to go over where the grease line and the bearing temperature sensors are. So we've removed this bottom smooth start guard. This is your smooth start. So back here on your bearing, you have these two ports in it. This first one here is where your grease line is going to hook up. You want to make sure that's tight and in good shape so your bearing is always getting greased. This is a high-speed bearing and it needs grease every 8 hours, so you want to make sure that's in good shape. And then this is your temperature sensor for your screen bearing. You want to make sure this stays tight. As all the other ones, any of these orange M12 connectors, you always want to put one drop of Loctite on there. Tighten this as tight as you can get it with your fingers. Put a 14mm wrench on it and tighten it 2 more clicks. That way it just stays tight. But just wanted to show you where these are and how to service them.